In this guide, I'm going to show you how you can disable restricted mode here on YouTube. If this guide does help you out, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. If it really does help the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this, we'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point throughout this guide you do have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Now, restricted mode can limit the videos that you're able to watch, and it can also stop you from commenting. So let's go ahead and turn that off and get YouTube back to normal. To get started, obviously have that YouTube app open and go down in the bottom right and select the You section, which is going to be your profile icon. Next, in the top right, you're going to see this little settings gear. Go ahead and select that to open up your settings. From here, go ahead and tap on general up at the very top and scroll down until you see restricted mode on here. If it's ticked on, go ahead and just toggle it off. Once that's done, you can just back out and go back to YouTube like normal, and it's going to work like it should. Now, if it is not working still, fully close it by just swiping out and then reopening it just like so, and you should be good to go. But that is it. That is how you can go ahead and disable restricted mode here in YouTube. If this guide did help you out, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. If it really does help us out, let us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. Have a great rest of your day, though. Peace.